Hey, hi everyone. Hello. Prachi, yeah. Good morning everyone. And a warm welcome. A very warm welcome to those who are joining and to those who are still joining. Such a pleasure to have you all here on this platform. It's lovely. So how is Sunday passing by? How is it going? Okay. Good numbers. So everyone, let's take a quick question. Have you ever worn or admired a hand-painted sari, dupatta or anything else? Ever? You can answer in the chat box. Before everyone joins, you can still answer. This is Shweta from Diva Lifestyles. I'm really so happy to have you all here on this platform. Hello everyone. Hey, hi. So the question is, have you ever worn or admired hand-painted saris, dupatta or any wearable art? I'm good. Thank you so much. How are you all? Please write down your answers in the chat box. Let me see. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So I'm sure आप में से कई लोग हैंड पेंटेड साड़ीज को एडमायर तो करते हैं, हैंड पेंटेड वेरेबल आर्ट को एडमायर करते हैं, बट आई थिंक very rarely people, or you can say very less number of people know what goes into creating one. Are you all aware? So that's what I'm exactly here for, and that is the topic I have chosen for the day. The topic is art behind hand painted saris. And before I walk through the journey, I have once again a quick question for you all. अक्सर ये क्वेश्चन आप लोग करते हैं उन सभी आर्टिस्ट से जो ये काम कर रहे हैं. आई मीन एनीबडी हु इज पेंटिंग ऑन कैनवस और पेंटिंग ऑन सिल्क. Isn't it? We are all artists, isn't it? Just the surface changes, material changes, but still the work goes on. The question is, do you admire wearable art the way you admire any painting on canvas? Do you? So this is the question, everyone. I often get to hear this question: why are your saris, or you say any wearable art I create, so expensive? So that is what I am here today to tell you. Dear customers, my saris are not expensive. My saris are exclusive. And what makes it exclusive? I need to tell you today. Right? So that is what we are going to discuss. ऐसी क्या वो बातें हैं जो हमारे इस काम को एक्सपेंसिव या वैल्यूएबल बनाती हैं, एंड दैट इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यू ऑल नीड टू नो. डू यू ऑल नो व्हाट टाइम डज इट टेक टू क्रिएट वन साड़ी? एनी गेसेस? यू कैन राइट योर गेस इन द चैट बॉक्स. कितना वक्त लगता होगा एक साड़ी को क्रिएट करने में? Let me tell you, it takes somewhere, you can say anywhere between 40 to 100 hours. So that 40 to 100 hours depending on the design and the scale. So that is the amount of time taken, and that too with very carefully. We paint over these fabrics, the blending, detailing, everything takes a lot of time. Yes, 15 days to 1 month. ये सारे responses आ रहे हैं 4 से 5 दिन, at times 1 month. Agree, absolutely agree, because I have been doing it. You can see that I have a stretched canvas here right in front, isn't it? So it takes around, for me it takes around 40 to 100 days depending on the design and depending on what the design, and of course your skills also matters कि आपने उसको कितनी खूबसूरत तरीके से साड़ी पे काम किया, मेहनत किया है, and that determines the value of the whole sari, isn't it? And then what adds is the uniqueness, isn't it? Don't you feel? ये जो आप काम करते हैं 10 से 15 दिन या फिर 40 से 100 दिन, अगर 100 घंटे की बात करें, तो उसमें हमारा सबसे ज्यादा कंसिडरेशन क्या होता है कि हम उसमें बारीक से बारीक डिटेलिंग दें ताकि हमारे कस्टमर्स उसे पसंद करें, और ऐसा काम जो कहीं और दिखे ही नहीं. दैट इज समथिंग वी एम एट, क्रिएटिंग समथिंग एक्सक्लूसिव एंड यूनिक. बिकॉज अनलाइक एनी हैंड प्रिंटेड sarees, my sarees are just one of a kind, whereas hand printed क्या है, they can create in bulk, they can paint नहीं कर सकते, they just produce it, or you can say these are all machine made and can be created in bulk. So that is what differentiates between hand printed and hand painted. कई बार लोग मेरे पास आके पूछते हैं क्या ये हैंड प्रिंटेड है. आई हैव टू चेक देम द वेरी फर्स्ट मोमेंट कि दीज आर नॉट प्रिंटेड, दीज आर ऑल हैंड पेंटेड, बिल्कुल अपने हाथों से बनाई गई है. So that is one factor. Then I would like to add the premium material I give. We are working on pure silk. हम pure silk पे काम करते हैं, and we work with professional grade silk colors, wet dyes. जो भी मटेरियल हम यूज करते हैं, वी एम दैट दिस शुड स्टे ऑन दिस फैब्रिक फॉर years together, isn't it? So the value of those material is, you all know about it, how expensive, and आप जो colors choose कर रहे हैं, like I work with these dyes, silk colors. Now these are all imported and are quite costly, and that adds on to the cost factor of a सारी. सो वन नीड्स टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या क्या वजह हो सकती हैं इनकी जो प्राइजेस इतनी ज्यादा है. कमिंग ऑन टू द फिक्सिंग एंड द फिनिशिंग, यू ऑल नो आफ्टर द सारीज आर पेंटेड दे गो थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्टीम फिक्सिंग. Steam fixing is a process which is it takes a lot of effort, and the saree stays in there, any fabric you have painted stays in there for say 2 to 3 hours. And then comes the professional finishing, so that once it reaches you, you love, once it unfolds, you love the way it is there in your hand. So these are the factors, and the most important I would love to add is sustainability. These sarees, the fashion जो हमारे hand painted sarees होती हैं, दुपट्टे होते हैं, these are all slow fashion. Whereas जो fast fashion है, these are discarded quickly, whereas these continue to stay fresh and you love it at any point of time and is passed down to the loved ones, isn't it? So what you're investing in, what you buy is just not a piece of cloth, it's not a piece of fabric, it's a piece of art, heritage and craftsmanship you can treasure and also pass on to your loved ones. Isn't this beautiful? तो चलिए मैं लेके चलती हूँ आपको कि ये जर्नी शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है. तो इसकी शुरुआत होती है इस फ्रेम से, जहां पे हमारा ये फैब्रिक, यू कैन सी दिस फैब्रिक इज स्ट्रेच एंड दिस इज अ प्योर सैटिन जॉर्जेट इन काइंड ऑफ वेरी लाइट pink lavender, you can say somewhere between pink and lavender. I really love to play with pastel shades and so do you, I'm sure. So सबसे पहले ये हम चूज करते हैं फैब्रिक, एंड ऑफ कोर्स एज आई सेड हमारे सारी जो फैब्रिक हम चूज करते हैं दीज आर ऑल प्योर मटेरियल, बिकॉज दीज कलर स्टे ऑन दीज फैब्रिक्स फॉर ईयर्स टुगेदर. और जब आप इतने अच्छे खूबसूरत महंगे कलर्स यूज कर रहे हैं, फैब्रिक यूज कर रहे हैं, तो मेरा आप लोगों से यही दरखास्त है एंड दैट रिक्वेस्ट इज देयर कि प्लीज डू नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन फैब्रिक. व्हेन यू हैव decided to work with silk colors, please go for pure fabrics, because this is what I often keep counseling and telling people, do not compromise on fabric, because these result, the best results होते हैं वो pure fabrics पे ही नजर आते हैं. ड्यूरेबिलिटी, शीन, आप जितनी भी खूबसूरत फैब्रिक लेकर आएंगे उसकी लॉन्गिविटी और उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी उतनी ही ज्यादा होती है, एंड इट रिमेन्स वाइब्रेंट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी स्टीम इट फॉर कलर फास्टनेस. तो आपको पता है हम वो सारे काम कर रहे हैं जिनसे ये पीस जो आप खरीद रहे हैं, जिनमें आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, ये आपके साथ काफी लंबे वक्त तक रहने वाला है. Then we need to understand which color. Now you have chosen this, you have chosen the color. Now we need to decide on brushes. When you're working with silk paints, silk dyes, you need to choose perfect brushes. If you are like trying to work with say flat, filbert, your results may not be that great. आप मुझे बताएं आप सही ब्रशेस यूज करते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट add in your chat box what all brushes you're using. Maybe I'll also get to know, but this is what works best for me. I prefer using when I'm going ahead with Surti technique. हाँ, when it comes to free hand technique, जब मैं free hand painting करती हूँ, then that is when I prefer working with round brushes, flat brushes, filbert brushes. So जब मैं free hand, you can see this is a free hand painted organza sari and I have painted with wet dyes. Isn't this beautiful? And there is no serti technique, there is no gutta lines you can see, or it is just your imagination, your colors, the way you want, you know, inspired by your emotions, inspired by the nature. आप जो भी जिस तरह से इनको अपने कैनवस पे उतारते हैं वो आपका स्टाइल बनता है. You can see this dupatta I have taken, then I would definitely like to add on this. Now you see this. This is these are red poppies, pure crepe silk, and you see the entire base has been hand painted. This is on grey and black combination. Now let me tell you, whenever I show these pieces to my customers, they ask me, ये क्या आपने पहले डाई किया था और फिर उसके ऊपर ये flowers बनाया है? तो let me add, dear ladies and all the members who are here of the session, this sari is hand painted entirely. The entire base has been hand dyed. We use 6 meter frame to paint these saris. Cannot be done in just one small, or you can say 3 meter frame. We need to have some frame of say almost 6 meters so that these saris could be painted in just one go. Hello everyone, hello. Okay, so the base color is entirely hand painted with dyes. और इनको पहले हमने गुट्टे से outline किया, we filled in the colors and then we went to the background. The process, usually I have been telling you in all my workshops, and now also it takes around almost 2 to 3 people when you're working with the background. You cannot do it all alone. It is difficult unless you choose a pattern which is scattered and connected. You create boundaries, you work in sections. That is when you can work all alone. If you're trying to aim at achieving those gradient merges, you need at least 2 to 3 people to help you out at least. Join my workshop. I'll be guided more in how to go ahead with doing the background, painting the background in double or single tones. Liked it? If you liked it, please do comment in the chat box. तो इस तरह से जब हम इन brushes, paints और frame के साथ इतनी काम करते हैं, first of all you choose your designs, inspiration. You all know nature is the best inspiration, and apart from that there are times when you are in mood, आपके खुद के emotions होते हैं जो आपके कपड़ों पे नजर आते हैं. At times it is the customers, we choose their ideas, we work on their ideas, and that is how we go ahead on our frame, on all our fabrics. फिर हम काम करते हैं कि आपको कौन से मीडियम से पेंट करवाना है. Yes, that too is a question. I hold expertise in silk colors as well as wet dyes and fabric paints. तो किसी ने अगर मुझसे wet dyes में काम कराना, what are wet dyes? Are all same. The acrylic dyes, wet dyes, pigment dyes, these are all the same. So this sari particularly has been done with the help of wet dye, that is acrylic colors. So this is organza, pista green organza sari. You can see I have all bougainvillea spread out on this sari. This is the pista green. और इसमें भी उतना ही effort दिया जाता है. Free hand comes with skill and lots of practice. आपको काफ़ी मेहनत करनी होती है उसके लिए on the fabric of course, उसके पहले practice के दौरान. और जब आप में वो confidence आता है कि अब मैं ये काम इस पे कर सकती हूँ, that is when you come onto your fabric. And that is the most beautiful part of hand painted garments and saris and dupattas, whichever fabric you choose, you would love the way it comes out. So all the styles, medium or different, but they create, the aim is to soothe your eyes. जो पहन रहा है और जो देख रहा है, उन दोनों की आंखों को खुशी मिलनी चाहिए, and that is what we all aim at. So dear customers, please try to understand all our pieces. You are not investing in just one piece of cloth or fabric. I must repeat, you are investing in you can say heritage. You're investing in something which is beautiful. It's a piece of art. Just the way a canvas is painted, the designs are painted on canvas, similarly our canvases are these silk, and I'm sure you must have enjoyed this session. I won't take it too long because I promised say 15 to 20 minutes, and I hope you all enjoyed. Is there any question you want to ask? You can come up with your question. I'm all here to answer. Is there any question? Oh, Oh, hello everyone. I can see the hearts popping up, but then what about the questions? Aren't you having any doubts? If you have any doubts, any question, you can. I'm all here to take up your questions. Yet to see any question? Thank you so much for joining me today. I think there are no more questions, and in case you have any, you can just add it to the chat box, or you can message me personally on my window. Save this video and share it with the loved ones. You must, because there's a lot of information which keeps coming like this, and I'll be conducting these workshops. You cannot, it's a small video, it's a live session. I consider it as a workshop wherein you can also ask me question, and I'm all there to answer you. So these are all small sessions. If you have any question, you can ask me in my personal window, and at the same time wait for the next, because I'm definitely coming up with something interesting. एक और सवाल जाने से पहले, ऐसा कौन से फ्लावर्स हैं जो आप मेरे फैब्रिक्स पे देखना चाहेंगे? Is there something which I haven't created, or maybe I have but you want to see it more frequently? Because what I keep getting is like roses and roses. These are the orders I keep receiving. फिर इसके अलावा ऐसे और कौन से फ्लावर्स हैं जिनको आप मेरे फ्रेम पर देखना चाहेंगे? Do suggest, do recommend. I will definitely consider and come up with something more interesting next week. Maybe a weekend or on Thursdays. I'll try to fix the dates, but as of now I don't have any clarity on that. But then definitely next week I'll be again coming with something very interesting. Till then, be creative, be unique, be you. Bye bye.